Hey there, Andrei from SimpleNet here. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and configure the WP Rocket plugin. This premium plugin starts at $59 per year, and it's considered one of the best caching and optimization plugins in the WordPress ecosystem. So let's dive in. Okay, after you buy the WP Rocket plugin, you can download it to your computer. Then go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, add new plugin, click Upload plugin, choose File, select the zip you downloaded, then click Upload. Then click Install Now. Now, before we activate the plugin, let's see how the website performs without any caching enabled. So I have this private window here. This is my demo website. I'm using the Ollie theme, and I have added some patterns here to have content on the page. Okay, let's right click, inspect element, go to network, and refresh the page. Okay, let's refresh several times. You can see here the time to first byte is 182 milliseconds, 167, 171, 154, 152, 196. Also, there are 29 resources, 800 kilobytes total, transferred 500 kilobytes, and loaded in 841 milliseconds. Okay, let's see now if we activate the plugin. Good. Let's go to Settings. WP Rocket is now activated and already working for you. So the caching should be working now. Let's go back and refresh the page again. 166, 52 milliseconds, 61 milliseconds, 58 milliseconds, 56, 142 again, 49 milliseconds. So the time to first byte has been reduced. Okay, let's see what other optimizations can we make. Let's go to File Optimization, and the Minify CSS files is already checked. We can click on Optimize CSS Delivery. And we can choose to remove unused CSS or to load CSS asynchronously. This could break things. Well, let's activate it and see. JavaScript files, the Minify is already enabled. We can enable the combine. Also, this could break things. And we can click Load JavaScript Deferred. Load JavaScript Deferred eliminates render blocking JS on your website and can improve load time. Okay, let's activate it. Click Save Changes. You can see there's a notice here. Please wait 80 seconds. The Remove Unused CSS service is processing your pages. The plugin is optimizing LCP and the images above the fold. Okay, we'll wait. Let's see some other settings. On the Media tab, we have the lazy load settings. On the preload tab, the preloading is already activated. Advanced rules, database. We can set the database to be cleanup. On a specific schedule, daily, weekly. Back up your database before you run a cleanup. Save changes. Okay, the LCP element has been optimized and the images above the fold were excluded from lazy load. Let's dismiss the notice. Would you allow WP Rocket to collect? Yes, allow. CDN, that's the Rocket CDN that costs extra. Heartbeat, control heartbeat is enabled by default. Add-ons, user cache varnish, WebP compatibility, Rocket add-ons, Cloudflare, Securi. We have image optimization. Again, this is a different plugin with a free plan that includes 20 megabytes a month. We have the tools, the export settings, import settings, rollback, tutorials, and other plugins made by the same team that makes WP Rocket, Imagify and RankMath. Okay, so the file optimization has been done. Let's enable lazy load. Now let's see. Let's reload the page. Okay, as you can see, the number of resources has dropped from 29 to 14. The kilobytes from 800 to 500, and the data transferred from 500 to 200. And now the total time is 459 milliseconds. So we have fewer assets and the time has improved. Let's see the order of these. So first is the document, then the CSS files, the JS files, then the font. So there's no images. If we scroll, then images are being lazy loaded. I'm testing this with my browser cache disabled. So these assets, they are being transferred on every reload of the page. Now, if I would enable the browser cache, let's clear the caches and reload the page. Now, the browser will no longer transfer all of these assets. The browser will store these in its cache, and as you can see, the data transfer has dropped to 33 kilobytes. Also, the time has dropped to 100 milliseconds. We have 30 kilobytes transfer, and you can see here the transfer size. It's the HTML that gets transferred, but the other assets are being loaded from the memory cache. For testing purposes, I always disable caches to see exactly what gets loaded, how many kilobytes they have, and the time it takes to transfer them. Okay, so that's how you configure the WP Rocket plugin. you must be careful and test your page to see if it breaks anything. So test it on the desktop, test it on the mobile, and if something is broken, you need to look at the file optimization, because this has the potential to break things, you know, the optimize CSS delivery and combine JavaScript files. Also, the deferring of the JavaScript can break things. So you just need to test things and see how everything works. That's WP Rocket for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.